Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how to convert video into an MP3 audio using only VLC Media Player. Please consider subscribing. Let's get started by searching VLC. Then open it. Go to Media. Choose the video that you want to convert. Select Audio, MP3. Choose the destination where you want to save your audio. Then wait for a moment so that your video can be converted. Then let's check if it worked. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, share, and tell me if it worked for you in comment section.